Good morning, Philippines! Morning, world! Good morning, Metro Manila! And good morning, Metro Cebu! Welcome everyone to Bishop James Lopez Jesus Healing Crusade or Healing Service. Alright? So if you are new to our YouTube channel, you to click right now the red subscribe button and click subscribe and notification bell as well. So every time we upload new videos this year, you will be notified right away. And again, follow me in Facebook, in TikTok, in Twitter, Instagram, all of our social media platforms we're using for the glory of God. Lahat pong yan ay nasa description ng video ito. Turn your Bible to Matthew 8 verse 17. That it might be fulfilled, which was spoken to the prophet Isaiah, saying, Jesus himself took our physical sickness and carried our diseases. When the Lord, kinuha niya ang ating mga karamdaman at dinala niya, pinasa niya ang ating mga sakit, sickness and disease, sakit at karamdaman. Isa po yan sa niresearch ko gabi. Magkaiba po ba yung dalawa na yun? Sickness and disease.